Hi everyone. I live on the eastern foothills of the Santa Cruz Mountains. I get to watch them almost every morning from my window while having breakfast. This spot is only about 15 minutes right from my home, so I come here often. The temperatures in June are typically such that mist from the Pacific overflows these mountains and covers the Bay Area in the mornings. By about 10 a.m., most of these clouds are gone. This Sunday, I felt like having my morning coffee with the clouds instead of the breakfast table at home, and I wanted to share that experience with you all.
The misty mountains cold, to dungeons deep and caverns old, we must away ere break of day to find our long forgotten gold. The pines were roaring on the height, the winds were moaning in the night. The fire was red, it flaming spread, the trees like torches blazed with light. Far over the misty mountains cold, to dungeons deep and caverns old, we must away ere break of day to find our long forgotten gold. The pines were roaring on the height, the winds were moaning in the night. The fire was red, it flaming spread, the trees like torches.
I could sit there for much longer, but it was time to head downhill. I was pleasantly surprised by a fresh, out of the oven French toast casserole with rose jam made from the rose petals from our own garden for breakfast waiting for me. If you're interested in the recipe, let me know. I'll try to record the making of the next batch. I leave you with the unedited sound of the sizzling hot yummy breakfast.